This is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts. We're going to go over how to install a deluxe grab bar. You have two different styles. You'll have a standard grab bar, which is smaller, and then you'll have a deluxe. This is more for two people. The other one's like a single. And there's going to be a little trick we'll have to show you to mount this. Basically, this will have it'll have threaded bolts underneath. So you'll have 4 bolts, 2 sets. Easiest way to do it, start these bolts first. Now sometimes you can, if you're by yourself, you'll have to hold this up and start the bolt. If you've got like a little wood clamp, you can clamp this and hold it in place and then start the bolt. These are going to be 15. If you got a gear wrench, a ratchet wrench, that's the best tool to have. These you can start with a regular socket, impact, whatever. But behind here, you'll need to get a ratchet wrench in here, something that's thinner to get behind there. So basically, if you got a 16 socket, 16 wrench, here's the trick. You'll have 2 bolts up here on your seat. You'll want to take those loose. You'll have 1 bracket bolt here. You'll want to take this loose. So once you get them loose, this will drop down, and then that will expose this to where you can get to the 2 bolts on the back side. That's better than trying to take the whole thing off. If you want to take the whole foot plate off, you can, but this is a faster, easier trick that we do, you know, when we're trying to put one on. Basically, if you get the ratchet wrench in here, you can just ratchet these bolts, tighten them up. Those will tighten up, and then you can tighten these 2 up. Same way, you can just use the same wrench if you want. If you're in a big hurry, you can use an impact, but you just want to make sure you don't strip them out. Those are going into a threaded bolt that's welded to this frame. And then you'll have plastic here. We just cut that off. I can kind of show you what that looks like real quick. And you'll have your pad up top there. Once you get everything tightened up, then you'll just put that back up like that. You can go with this. I always put this on first, and then you'll have to kind of tilt this to make the other 2 bolts reach. The bracket will go behind it like this, and then you just kind of line the hole up. If you can find it, you may have to look down there to see it. Sometimes it's easier said than done. All right, that's got that. And you got a washer and a lock nut. So kind of just, I leave this loose until I get the other 2 in place. If you tip it like that, you can insert your bolt, put your washer, nut on the back. There's 1, 2, the whole foot plate loose. So if you had to take the whole foot plate loose, you'd have to loosen another bolt on that side, and then you would have to take this whole foot plate off. It's a little easier, that way you're not as trying to put this whole mechanism back on, the whole foot plate on. It might be a 2-person job, where this makes it a 1-person if you do the little trick we said. So, and that's basically it. You got a nice grab bar, and just kind of make sure everything's tight, and you know, you don't have any loose bolts that you might have forgot. And that's basically it. So this is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts, and that's Deluxe Grab Bar 101.